There's a quiet beauty in transformation, in embracing a space seasoned by time, and giving it the chance to begin again. This Maisonette, once an old resale flat, now carries a new story. A story of home, of warmth, of craft woven into every corner. The kitchen is where the story first unfolds. What was once closed off and contained is now open, light-filled, and flowing with ease. With the wall gone, the space breathes as one, blurring the lines between kitchen and living. At the very essence, a curved island stretches out like an embrace. Its wood tabletop grounds the space, while the seamless surface above keeps it calm, simple, ready for life to happen. The curve itself carries the rhythm of the home, soft, fluid, unforced. Step into the living room, and time seems to slow. The walls and floors, wrapped in lime wash and micro cement, hold the light gently, shifting with the day. Textures invite touch, while the tones invite rest. Above, the layered ceiling glows softly, hidden light bending around every curve. Nothing is sharp. Nothing is hurried. It is a room that asks nothing of you, except to be at ease. The stairs rise gently, guided by the glow of a moon-shaped light. A small gesture, yet it lingers. A reminder that beauty doesn't always announce itself. Sometimes it simply waits to be noticed. In the master bedroom, the earth speaks softly. Warm tones, terracotta accents, and textures that soothe all come together to create a retreat that feels whole, a place where the day exhales. This home is not about grandeur, nor about making a statement. Its beauty lies in how everything belongs. The textures, the tones, the quiet curves. It doesn't ask to be admired. It simply feels right. Not just a house rebuilt, but a home reborn.